Today I made two large luxury style
Take two.
Mother's Day bouquet for my mother and my daughter. Using flowers from our neighborhood supermarket and wrap paper from the dollar store. And honestly, it reminds me that beautiful things does not always have to be expensive. I bought 8 bouquets, 4 rolls of cello wrap paper, 2 cards, and 2 body bags. And my total came to 124.66. And darling, with lots of love attached to it, you cannot beat that. Stop it, baby, stop it. If you're new here, my name is Jacqueline, and help
And
women
I'm Warren.
reinvent themselves through confidence, femininity, style, emotional wellness, and creating a life they deserve. And today, while we are making these bouquets, I realized the video is not really about flowers. It's about intentional living. It's about creativity. It's about softness. And honestly, it's about something many women over 50 forgot how to do. Create beauty again. So, what is the real problem? You know what I think happened to many women? Life made them so hard. Not masculine, not bitter necessarily, just hard from survival. We spent decades working, raising children, helping spouses, taking care of parents, paying bills, sacrificing, giving, pouring into everybody else. And somewhere during all that, many women disconnect from creativity, from softness, from making life beautiful simply because it feels so good. Everything becomes rush, transactional, and practical.
I want it now.
How fast can I get this done? How cheap can I get this? What is the easiest option? And slowly we start romanticizing life. So, what these flowers taught me? By standing in my kitchen, wrapping flowers today, I felt peaceful. My husband was walking the dog. Woo! Jazz music playing softly, ribbons everywhere, flowers spread across the counter. And I realized this. This is so good. Not just designer bags and luxurious vacation. Self-love is intentional moments. Self-love is slowing down enough to create beauty. Self-love is putting care into things again. And honestly, guys, women over 50 deserve that energy more than anything. So, what is luxurious energy? Now, let's talk about luxury for a second. Because social media has people thinking luxury only means expensive stuff. No, darlings. Luxury is energy. Luxury is presentation. Luxury is care. Luxury is intention. Luxury is peace. Luxury is beautiful. Has something made for someone. Those grocery store flowers, once arranged beautifully, they look expensive, don't they? And honestly, that's how many women are too. Some women think because they don't wear designer labels or have millions, they can't embody elegance. That's not true. Elegance is how you carry yourself. So, women who really forgot their creativity, I think many women quickly forgot how talented they really are. This generation of women knew how to create beauty from almost nothing. We decorated homes beautifully, we sewed and cooked, we host dinners, we wrapped gifts beautifully, we made holidays magical for children. And now, many women stopped creating because they became emotionally exhausted. That's why garden matters. That's why cooking matters. These things
Yum, yum.
reconnect women to femininity. Reinvention is deeper than clothes. And this is exactly why I always talk about reinvention. People think reinvention is just fashion and makeup. No, darling. Fashion is only the outer layer. Real reinvention is emotional. It's reconnecting with the part of yourself survival mode disconnect you from joy, beauty, softness, confidence, and femininity. Because men who are over 40 are finally entering season where they can pull back to themselves. And some men feel guilty about that. But you shouldn't. You should not. So the power of thoughtfulness. One thing I've learned getting older, almost 62 this year, people remember effort. They remember how you made them feel. My mother and my daughter probably won't remember exactly how much these bouquets cost years from now, but they remember she took the time to make something beautiful for me. That's what matters. Thoughtfulness is becoming rare. Everybody is busy, distracted, scrolling, moving fast, microwave, but intentional still stands out. So, a message to you, women that are watching. So, the woman watching this, maybe you've been feeling disconnected from yourself lately. Maybe life becomes too serious, too stressful, too practical. I want you to hear this carefully. You're not allowed to create beauty again. You are. You are allowed to romance your life again. You are allowed to slow down again. You are allowed to reconnect with your femininity again, even if it starts with flowers from the grocery store. So, what I want for women over 40. I truly believe women over 40 are entering one of the most powerful seasons of their life. Because now we are finally understanding what actually matters. Peace, health, joy, softness, meaningful relationship, intentional living. And honestly, many women are waking up realizing I spent decades surviving, now I want actually live. That's reinvention. And if you're a woman over 50, learn how to reinvent your confidence, your lifestyle, your femininity, your emotional wellness and identity. Download my free reinvention checklist in the description. And if you want deeper conversation about confidence, style, wellness and femininity, emotional healing, and soft life living, join my private Style Lab community. Description is in the description. Link is in the description. No. Link is in the description. It's about becoming again. Okay? Before I go, let me show you the bouquet that I made. This one, I don't have this for my mom and my daughter. This is one. And this is, I'm going to squeeze for a second. This is the other one. I don't know which one is for which yet. And I also have cards to fill out, and I'm going to put the bouquets in these wine bottle bags. But before I go, if you're new here, thank you for joining and taking some time to listen to my message. If you're returning, thank you so much for joining and listening to my message. And a little help here. I wrote a book by Jackie Younglani, bestseller on Amazon. It comes in hardcover, paperback, and Kindle. On there, Amazon. Put it in there. Jack and Young Landy by this is not a by Jack and Young Landy. Purchase it. When you purchase it, do not put it on the shelf. Read it. It's an easy read. Trust me. Because I make sure put pictures in there not to make you get bored. Okay? So after you read it, go back please. I would greatly appreciate this to invite me to read you. But the best part of it is give it to someone else. A friend, associate, a family member, male, female, it doesn't matter. Pay it forward so somebody can gently